Have you ever wondered what songs are actually right for your voice, or if it's a bad thing that a song feels uncomfortable? If you have, then you're not alone. In this video, we're going to answer all of these questions. Plus, we'll talk about what makes a song complex and how to approach learning new songs more efficiently. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Jimena Cabrera. I'm a singer, songwriter, vocal coach, and the founder of the Singing Panda, a singing academy where we help you develop your voice holistically, that is, mentally, emotionally, and technically. Let's start with a very important question. Should you be able to sing every song out there in order to be a good singer? And the answer to this is, of course, not. To sing the right song is like going shopping for clothes. Imagine going shopping for clothes. Do you expect everything to look good on you? Finding the right song for your voice is very similar to finding the right outfit. You don't walk into a store and pick the first thing you see, do you? You usually try things on and see if they fit you. And if it doesn't fit you, what do? Do you blame yourself? Hopefully not, right? You keep looking until you find the outfit that fits your body shape. Clothes are designed with very specific body types in mind, and the same goes for songs. Songs are written for specific voices. Songs are written with very specific instruments in mind. I'm a songwriter myself, so when I write songs for myself, I write them for my own voice type, right? So the same is true for every song out there. It's written by a songwriter with a specific voice type in mind. So not every song is going to fit your voice naturally, and that's completely normal. And what could also happen is that the song is not right for you just yet because it doesn't match your current level of vocal development. The right approach for choosing songs. So how can you choose songs that actually support your growth as a singer? One way of doing it is by choosing songs that are within your zone of development. You can follow this formula. The challenge plus one formula. A song should feel mostly comfortable, and if there is a challenge, it should feel manageable, not overwhelming. What makes a song more complex? So what makes a song more difficult to sing? Complexity usually comes from things like range, how high or low the song goes, and speed, how fast the phrases move. For example, a song with a very wide range is of course going to be more challenging. Also, when the song is fast-paced, it has fast phrasing, that makes it harder to sing because you need more coordination and you need more agility. Another thing that could make the song a little bit more challenging is the original voice that the song was written for. Panda tip: singing songs written for your voice type, for example, female songs for female voices and male songs for male voices, can make things easier, especially in the beginning. Core principle: adaptation. This brings us to a key idea, one that most beginner singers overlook, me included when I was a beginner singer. Adapt the song to your voice, not the other way around. Trying to copy exactly what the original singer of the song does usually does not work. Why? Because you don't have the same instrument, and that's fine. Feel free to adapt the song, to change the key, to even change the pace, the phrasing if you need to. That's more than fine, and sometimes it's even necessary. Metacognitive strategies: how to learn a song. Now let's talk about how to approach learning a song more effectively. One very useful way is by starting to use metacognitive strategies. In this case, learning how to grade the difficulty in the task at hand. Before you start singing a song, you can ask, what's the lowest note? What's the highest note? This gives you a clearer idea of the range of the song, and so once you know what the range is, you can start to experiment with different keys. To do this, you can use different tools such as a Google Chrome extension called Transpose that allows you to adjust the key and even the speed of the song. Adjusting the key and adjusting the pace of the song can make it much more accessible for you to learn it. Reality check: the process takes time. It's important to understand that learning songs takes time. And that's more than fine. It's okay, it's normal. I remember that this came as a shock to me when I was beginning to take singing lessons. I used to think that singers didn't have to study songs for some reason, okay? But that's not true. Actually, you need to spend some time with the material, you need to spend some time with the song, and sometimes it is technique that you need to focus on if you are especially beginning to sing, or even if you're an intermediate singer. You're going to have to spend some time trying to figure out ways in which you can sing some parts of a song with more ease. You might find that there are some technique challenges. And if you are an advanced singer, if you're a professional singer, it might be just about learning how to sing the song in a way that feels true to you. So you will have to do some interpretation work on the song, but there's a process to it, and that is more than fine. Before we leave, I would like to leave you with one question. This might not feel relevant to all of you, but this is especially for those of you who are always choosing songs that are very, very hard to sing. So the question is, why do you think that is? One possible answer to this is, you might not be choosing the song to express something, you might be choosing it to prove something. So next time you choose a song, you might want to ask yourself, why do I really want to sing this song? Is it because the song helps me improve my technique or my interpretation skills? Or because singing it will make me seem talented to others? Does this song want to be expressed through me, or am I using it to try to affect how others see me? Those were some deep questions, right? All I can tell you is that I've been on both sides of that. And from my own personal experience, I can tell you that one of those motivations leads to empowerment and the other one feeds on insecurity. So my advice is choose wisely. To recap, today we explored why you don't need to sing every song, how songs are written for specific voices, how to choose songs using the challenge plus one approach, what makes a song more complex, and how to adapt songs to your voice. So back to you. What are some of the things that you've struggled with when choosing songs? Finding songs that fit your range, choosing songs that are too difficult, or comparing yourself to the original singer? Tell me in the comments. And if you would like to know how you personally tend to approach challenges as a singer, I'm going to leave in the description box below a link to a fun personality quiz that reveals your vocal spirit animal. So why don't you go ahead and give it a try? Also, if you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next videos that I'll be uploading every Friday. Yeah. So in the meantime, happy singing, everyone.